Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series of Emporitum Numerical Challenge. Let's see the solution of the last question. The last question was based on a BST, that's binary search tree, and the correct answer for this is order of 1. So it says time complexity of picking an element in T that is smaller than the maximum element in the binary search tree. Now we know what's a BST. Now in a BST, binary search tree, for any node, all nodes in the left subtree have smaller values and all nodes in the right subtree have a greater values. Like for example, let's take an example of a binary search tree. Let this be 4, let this be 2, let this be 6, let this be, let's say 35, let this be suppose 30, let this be, let's say 48, let's say this be 40, let's say this be 45. Now if we have to find the maximum element in a BST, although in this question we don't have to find the maximum, but if in case we have to find the maximum element in a BST, then what do we have to do? We simply have to scan the rightmost side, that is the rightmost node, until we keep on moving right until we find a null value. So according to this, this is my maximum value in my BST. Let's call it some m value. Now how much time does it take to find the maximum? It takes the height of the tree, right? It takes order of height. Now where h is the height of the tree. Now if it is a balanced BST, then we say it's order of log n time for a balanced binary tree. But in this question we are not supposed to find the maximum element. Here we have to find any element that is smaller than the maximum, right? Now the next smaller element can be any node. It can be either the parent of this maximum value, it can be either this value, or it can be any node in the left subtree, if we go the left subtree of this maximum. So it can be any node. So we just have to either simply go upwards or simply go downwards, and doing that just takes constant amount of time, that is order 1 time. So in constant amount of time we can find out any smaller element than the maximum, because in this question we are not supposed to find the maximum element, right? So this is the correct answer for this. See you in the next video with the next Emporitum Numerical Challenge.